This is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. I recommend that you begin by checking for security and system updates, since those things are a backbone of your system's security. And well, in order to do that, you will need to launch your device's settings. Here, enter the security and privacy category. Next, go for the system and updates. And first, once again, check for security updates, but you will need to, your phone needs to be connected to internet while doing that. So let me quickly, set up a Wi-Fi connection here. So now we can return to the update manager. And yep, so if there will be a newer security update or a newer security software version, make sure to install it right away. And do the same for not only security update, but also for the Google Play system update as well. So check for available updates, and if there will be an available update, well, install it here. You will need to sign into a Google account quickly. So let me do that off the camera. So now we can check for system updates. In my case, there is a strange bug occurring that does not allow me to do that, but it happens. No big deal at all. So once again, system and updates, check for update. Well, something is wrong with my system apparently, so maybe I'll do that later. What you can also do is launch the Google Play Store and scan your phone for harmful apps using the built-in Play Protect scanner. So tap at your profile picture, then go into Play Protect and click the scan button. And if this tool will find any harmful apps, make sure to uninstall them right away. And the final advice that I have for you is that you check the list of device administrators for suspicious activity, or for suspicious apps rather. So go into settings here, simply input the admin query. Here it is. So open the device admin apps list and see if any suspicious or unknown to your app has this permission active, or well, not unknown, but the app you do not recall adding to this list, or the app you do not remember providing with this permission. So if you spot such app, so what you want to do is deactivate the permission and uninstall the app in question right away. And well, let me quickly show how you can uninstall apps. It is pretty simple. So launch settings, go into the apps category, see all apps, and here just look for the app you would like to delete or uninstall. Open its page. I cannot do that with YouTube. YouTube Music also, maybe Google Drive. No, I don't think I have any non-proprietary apps installed at the moment, so it probably, or LinkedIn, yep, so uninstall it. And the deed is done. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.